2012 Toyota Sequoia Limited. Had this since new. Still holding up pretty good. Some, you know, like I said in the other video, some body stuff. We're getting a little oxidation up here. And of course the roof, the clear coat is going from the heat and the sun down here. The Sequoias are becoming popular again. The used ones, people are seeing the power in them. Off-roading, overlanding, all this stuff, and just the size of them. Sure, they eat a lot of gas, you know, 12 miles to the gallon maybe. In the city, 11, I don't know. Depends how you drive, right? So today's question is, what do we do with these headlights? These are the stock original headlights. And I'm going to say, it's around a year. I have to get out the 3M or Meguiar's headlight cleaner. This one's getting a little... I probably didn't do as good as job, but I've done the headlight restores so many times, and now I even got a little bit of plastic damage inside of the turn signal bulb. It's like almost like the bulb overheated, so it's just a little crystallized, if you want to call it that, for plastic. What about this one? Yeah, same here. Look, oh my God, that one's worse. Oh, I just noticed that. See that? Oh, all right. So now we got internal cosmetic damage as well. Anyway. Looking for suggestions from the community, manufacturers, whoever. What should I replace these with? Should I go OEM? I think OEM, I can get them for about $275 each, which is fine by me, keeping them OEM. You know, and actually they're cheaper than some of the aftermarket ones I see. How fancy do you really need to get? It depends what you're going for. So what do we do? Do we do nightlights? Should we look at the nightlight headlights? Should we go OEM? Should we do, the other one's Morimoto. Those are in the $1,200 range. Some of these are really up there, north of $1,000. There's VLAND, V-L-A-N-D, and then there's Alpha Rex. Those are the ones I've been seeing on 1 to 3 year old videos on people that have kind of upgraded their old Sequoias with new headlights in that. They do have LED bulbs in them as is. I'm not a big fan of adding wiring harnesses to a vehicle. You never know what can go wrong. You can start messing with the fuse boxes and stuff. You can start like tripping crap. But again, I know Morimoto's, I think they give you a fuse buddy and you plug it into the one fuse light socket in the fuse box, and then boom, the harness is plug and play and away. So there you go. What should I do with this stuff? The ones I have on my list, OEM, about $275 each. So, you know, let's say 500 range. And then Morimoto is I think 1,200. Alpha Rexes are up there, I think, as well. And then VLAND, and I'm not sure how much nightlights cost. All right, just wanted to post that and see what people suggest.